Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today I have this for sale, a Triumph Thruxton R. This one is a 2017 on a 67 plate. It's done 8,848 miles, and it's actually the Cafe Racer version, so it comes with this cowl in here, which obviously can bolt onto the front. Now it's not a straight bolt on like a windshield, but nevertheless you can make it look proper Cafe Racer style with that front end on. So the bike itself is really clean. Like I said, it is the R version, so it comes with the Showa forks, the Brembo monoblock brakes, and also the Ohlins rear shocks as well. It's also got a couple of other extras, like it's got the Triumph leather tank bags as well. But it really is a nice clean thing, this. Little cowling and a tail tidy too. I'll give you a listen to it because it's also got Vance and Hines exhausts on this one. There you go. I'll let cameraman have a look at the clocks as well. Really nice retro looking. Also they come with ABS as well, that's why the light's flashing there. Heated grips by Triumph and all the bits that you'd need on it. It's a proper lovely clean thing. Right then, that's it. If you fancy this bike, all you need to do is just give us a call or pop down to the showroom. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.